This is TEPCO Cycle Repair. Today working on an Echo. This is a backpack blower. It's a PB265LN. And I want to show you symptoms of a bad coil. What this blower will do, if you let it sit for a while, say in the morning you go and start it up, it starts up fine, runs perfect. You can see this thing is in super clean condition. And it'll run good for a little while, and all of a sudden it's like you hit the kill switch. It'll just boom and just die. And then you wait a little bit, starts up again, runs good, and then it starts breaking up and choking like it's running out of fuel. But I want to show you what's happening. Okay, the coil's going bad on it. So right now, this is the off position here. We're gonna turn it on. Okay, now what I have here is a single. This is an Oregon tester here. It's a single tester, and it's got a spark plug. You'll be able to see the spark. And I want you to watch the spark and see what happens. Okay, so this has the easy pull, so it should just start right up. Let's see. The coil's getting hot, it's about to stall. You got sparks going in and out. It's going to start loading up, popping. I'm going to turn it off before it causes any damage. But so what happens is, you saw that spark. The frame rate was a little tough picking it up, but you saw it was running fine, running smooth. And then when it started running rough, this spark here, you can watch it just dropping until it was just popping, and then it's skipping the coil, and then the cylinder starts to get loaded up and run real rich because it's only sparking maybe every 3 compression strokes. So you know, the 2 strokes. So every time that piston goes up, the spark needs to go off, and if it's not, it's going to start loading up and getting rich. So that's what it looks like here, and you saw what was happening. You saw how it's reacting. If I let this sit for a little bit, it'll start right up again fine. In order to change the coil on this, you can see where the coil wire goes. I'm going to have to pull the whole side off here, pull this case off here, pull the flywheel off, get the engine off to get to the coil. These coils are about 80 bucks. This blower is about 260. If it's in a clean condition like this, it's worth fixing. But if not, you might want to think about it. But guys, hopefully this video will help you diagnose the problem you're having in your with your blower. I'll put a link in the description so you can purchase one of these. They're worth it. If you work on small engines, you got to have one of these things. And you see what this does. It just plugs in right there. Okay, and then it plugs into your wire. Just takes the place a little bit of the wire so you can see the spark. All right, guys, until next time, please like, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. This is TEPCO Cycle Repair.